Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV and to withmyexagain.com. My name is Coach Adrian and my passion is in helping people who love each other figure out a way to stay together. Too often we are not taught how to love. We're not given basic tools. We're just expected to know and to basically overcome the challenges that will surely come in your relationships on your own, intuitively. And there are very few things in life that you know intuitively, and unfortunately, relationships is not one of them. We need to be taught. We need to be nurtured. We need support. And that's why we've created Love Advice TV and withmyexagain.com. Not all relationships are meant to be salvaged, but a lot of them are. And that's why we are here. I've been doing a mini-series on giving you concrete tips based on the success of others in private coaching sessions, things for you to think about during your breakup recovery, things that you can actually just zero in on to dramatically increase your chances of success. And in this video, I wanted to talk about the importance of overcoming your fears. Everyone that reaches out to me has significant fears that they must confront day in and day out. You too have those fears. We all have fears as human beings, but especially when we are in a process of breakup recovery. What if I never see my ex again? What if they meet someone else? What if they forget about me? Those are true fears that you have to face head on. And you cannot run away from those fears and pretend that they're not there or succumb to them. And at the same time, you need to make sure that those fears don't overwhelm you. Because if they do, you will make mistakes, you will push your ex away, and those fears will actually materialize into your reality. Your thoughts create your reality. And if you let your fears control your mind, if you are acting based on your fears, you will make mistakes and you will create the reality that you are trying to run away from. Okay? So, it is absolutely essential for you to know what your fears are, to understand what certain triggers are, to see what the negative patterns of behaviors have been in order to develop a plan to overcome them, in order to develop a plan to build new patterns of behaviors, positive patterns of behaviors. And you need to stretch your comfort zone. In the process of breakup recovery, it is absolutely essential for you to stretch your comfort zone. If you're unable to do so, if you live in this state of fear, if you're not becoming this higher, better version of who you can be, unfortunately, you're going to lose your ex. You're going to miss your window of opportunity. It won't happen for you. And that's not what I want. I want to empower you. I want you to be able to succeed because I know you're awesome. I know that you can be the right partner for your significant other. And I know that with our support, with our expertise, our tools, we can get there because we help people day in and day out succeed. We know what works and we know what doesn't. And letting your fears overcome you doesn't work. So, you've been warned and you know what you need to do. And we are here to help. In private coaching sessions with the amazing Coach Nat, with Coach Steven, Coach Alex, or with myself, whoever you feel most connected to, whoever you feel most comfortable with, reach out to us. It would be our pleasure to help. Not just win back your ex. It goes beyond that. We will help you find peace of mind and happiness and help you become this higher, better version of you to reach your purpose. Because when you are striving to reach your purpose, along the way, magical things happen and you start to attract amazing people into your life because you're basically radiating that light and that potential of everything that you can be. And so your ex, your significant other, who once walked away from the relationship will come running back because they've already seen a glimpse of that light. As always, I wish you all the very best Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it, because you can. I know that you can. And we are here to support you if you have any doubts along the way. This was Coach Adrian, your friend and expert, here to support you in your breakup recovery and beyond. I wish you all the very best, and see you soon.